Hey everyone. So today I'm showing you how to fix Bluetooth headphones that keep cutting out on Windows 10 or 11. This is super frustrating, but I've got some quick fixes that should help. Let's dive in. Check your connection. All right, first thing, make sure your headphones are within range of your PC. Move closer to your computer and see if the problem continues. Also, check if there are any physical barriers blocking the Bluetooth signal. Repair your device. Now, open Windows Settings and search for Bluetooth. Find your headphones in the list, click the three dots, and select Remove Device. Then turn Bluetooth back on, click the plus icon, and select Bluetooth to search for devices. Put your headphones into pairing mode, usually by holding the power button for about 10 seconds, and click on them when they appear to reconnect. Here's the thing, if you have multiple Bluetooth devices connected, they might be interfering. Try disconnecting all other Bluetooth devices except your headphones and see if that fixes it. Disable sound enhancements. Okay, now search for Control Panel, then click on Hardware and Sound, and then Sound. Right-click on your Bluetooth headphones, select Properties, go to the Enhancements tab, and check Disable All Enhancements. Click Apply to save. Finally, search for Device Manager, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs, right-click your headphones, and select Update Driver. Choose the Automatic option and let Windows search for updates. And that's it. These fixes should solve your Bluetooth cutting out issues. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.